I'm going to prepare it Galician style. Each octopus weighs, this one 600 grams, about 600 to 800 grams, and this is in its frozen state. After it releases some of the water, we'll get to 500. When it's cooked, it will be considerably small. So it's one octopus per person. Our next step is to prepare the potatoes. So Galician octopus goes with boiled potatoes. I'll be using these. I hope they won't disintegrate, because if you use mashing potatoes, they marsh fiber, so they just disintegrate. So I'll try with these. I will just peel them off and put whole here. This is about 1.5 kilograms of potatoes, which I'm now going to boil here. It will take, I expect, about 20 minutes for them to boil to get ready. I'll be checking them with a knife. Soft octopus. Once the potatoes are boiled, I will take them out, and then we'll use the same water to cook the octopus. Now I think it's about, I've been checking them from time to time, so this way with a knife I just go to the middle, and then if I stop to find much resistance, means it's cooked. So this one is cooked. As you can see, these potatoes did not disintegrate. So now I'm turning this off, and I'm going to transfer the potatoes. Okay, with regards to the potato itself, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some salt. The choice of olive oil is very important here, because you will see there aren't many ingredients that we are going to use today, and olive oil is key. I'm just going to cover it, and now I'm going to cook the octopus. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then leave it. Taking the next one, at least 30 minutes. But I will be checking it with a skewer. Right now, with the skewer, I cannot get through the octopus. Here the tentacle, I cannot get through it. I feel utmost resistance. When I am able to go with the skewer easily through the tentacle, then it means that it's cooked. Now I've started to see this foam. It's in my best interest to be removing it. I'm going to cover it, but I'll be around because the foam will build in again and I need to remove it. I've been testing the octopus from time to time. Now is I think it's the next. So now you can see the skewer goes very easily through the octopus. The tentacle, I'm checking the tentacles. Check this one, very easy. This means it's now cooked. So I'm going to stop it. I will leave it here for about 10 minutes while I make the rest of the preparation. So the things that the Galician octopus go with is a nice salad, the potatoes, and bread. Despite of this dish having potatoes, it also very much likes bread. So make sure to have some nice bread sliced and served with it. Taking the water out. 124 grams. Let's take the big one. 250 grams in this little one. 200. So it's in average about 200 grams each right now after they are fully cooked. The next step is to prepare the potatoes. So because I will serve the octopus on top of the potatoes. That's why I will arrange them like this. We are using scissors to cut the tentacles. Now the seasoning. So we'll be using sea salt, paprika, which is sweet paprika, dulce, also picante, and very good olive oil. Next, sweet paprika. Next, hot paprika. You see the color is very vibrant. And then finally olive oil.